Go to your preferred browser and search for OneDrive download. Now open this first link that comes from official Microsoft account. And then you directly jump into OneDrive download page. In here, click on download OneDrive. And we can see OneDrive setup.exe file is now downloading. Once successfully downloaded, it's time to install OneDrive. So you can just click on this exe file from here, or you can go to your file explorer, go to downloads folder. In here you will find OneDrive setup.exe file. Double click this file to launch the installer. Click on yes. And here we can see OneDrive is now installing on my PC. Once it's successfully installed, you should see a cloud icon in your taskbar. Now we have to set up OneDrive. So click on your search bar and type here OneDrive. Launch the OneDrive app. And now we have to sign in here. So enter here your Microsoft account email address and click on sign in. Once you successfully signed in, now set up your OneDrive folder. So here we can see my current folder or location: C drive, user, OneDrive. If you want to change location, you can just click on choose location, and then you'll be able to easily choose a different location for OneDrive folder. Now click on next. And here you can backup folders on this PC. You can turn on documents automatic backup, pictures automatic backup. So I'm just turning off all of them and clicking on next. Clicking on next. And that's it. Finally, here in this file manager left-hand menu, we can see the Google Drive folder successfully added. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.